Okay, guys, let me show you I got a real good tip for you guys. All right, this is the wheel off of this Cherokee. Yeah, I think this is what I'm getting ready to do the recall on it, but they had a tire rotation on it. Guys, let me show you something. All right, this is a no-no, guys, right here. Now this wheel, let me go show you the other one. All right, yes, I know, plain rim, why bother with a lock, right? I can't answer that, and everybody have their own reasoning for doing stuff, okay? But these particular wheel locks, guys, these are put in place to help prevent theft, okay? The wheel thieves, okay? Yes, you can put your so-called stud ripper offer on here, and this little ring right here will just spin when your tool grab it, okay? Supposedly this will help tone down wheel theft. All right, but my message to you guys, I'm not trying to show you guys how to get this off easy without the tool or anything like that. I just want to put a tip out there, guys. This is the tool to remove it. Okay, now let me just screw this in here just for the sake of it. Guys, this is a big no-no. Well, it should be a big no-no. What I'm talking about is using a impact on this, okay? No. Don't use the impact on this. On no wheel locks, actually, guys. When you impact, you know what an impact is? There's impact, constant impact on it when you pull the trigger. Okay, so all you're doing is stretching the gears and the keys, and you're ruining it. Okay, so try, and I got ready to take this one off, and it was extremely tight. I don't know if they torqued it on tight. Now they should be torqued the same torque specs as whatever the specs are for the car you're working on. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about no, do not hammer on. Now I have my impact, the impact I'm using to get these off, but no, do not use this on this type on any wheel locks. Let me put it like that, okay? And make sure when you're torquing your wheels back down, make sure you go with the same torque specs as this. The goal is not to hammer on this, because guys, once this wear off and it's on the wheel real good, it is extremely hard to get off, and you have to cut. And I don't know about y'all, matter of fact, watch this video right here. I had a buddy trying to take one of these off that was stripped out. Oh, he went through pain and hell trying to get this off.
Yep.
Oh, it's one of those no spare tires, and you just keep going till you get to a safe spot. Man, it's serious, man. That's why I put a spare tire in my wife Jeep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she got a physical spare tire in her Jeep for that reason right there.
Full size.
Full size. Now, it ain't even gotta be full. It could be a donut, but something. Something is better than nothing. They tell you to call this 1-800 number. Yeah, everything in the air. In the meantime, you done had a blowout. You ain't got a flat, you got a blowout. And they give you an air pump and a can of Fix-A-Flat.
For all that money.
All in effort to
a
save.
Fix-A-Flat would be way too much to fix it.
All in effort to save weight. It's all about weight.
Yep.
I was wondering when you're gonna do that.
No, I'm trying to.
Oh, but you trying to save it? Who cares?
No, I'm trying to not save it.
Oh.
The ring. It's gonna catch the ring and spin. That's right. See what I'm saying?
Oh,
I'm trying to break the ring off.
Yeah, you ain't got a good bite on it.
Yes, exactly.
Is it turning?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, the lock and lock on there?
Yeah, it's got the ring that's spinning.
Yeah, it's the locker. And I thought that's what that was for, to bite get a good bite on it.
I've done plenty of them. I'll break the ring off first. Because the ring keeps spinning, yeah.
Oh, the ring around it.
This.
So they put that on there to stop people from getting it off. Are you freaking serious?
I crack it, break it loose, then I grab it.
Golly, I didn't know. I swear to God, I did not know that.
Yeah.
They put a ring on there to.
Right.
Yeah, by that time, somebody done came outside.
Yeah. Slow them down, man.
Slow them down. So what the thieves do you use to get it up?
I think they take the whole car now.
So they going. Somebody is bending the tool right now to get around the ring.
It's always gonna be somebody's coming up with some way to scam.
So what you trying? You don't care about the rim anymore, do you, really?
Oh no, she said just put my spare on. She from Chicago.
She got a spare?
Right behind me.
Oh, so it had a spare.
This one did, yeah.
So where's the key?
She had it gone somewhere earlier, and the key. Then I tried all our keys. It wore that out.
Oh, so she didn't even have a key. She had a spare.
Yeah.
I was wrong. She had a spare, but couldn't change it. Oh my goodness.
That ring coming off.
So that's what that tool is for? The hammer on there and get it off?
Yeah.
That's a nice tool. Who make that tool?
Oh yeah. Just tight.
And none of our keys work, and our master key lock works.
Get a good bite on it. Alrighty, guys, stay tuned.
Good news. Look at what I see. Yes. My man. Okay. So the ring. Once you got the ring off, he was able to put his tool on it. And then get a good bite on the head. And then turn it, okay? So guys, it's doable. Now, you can see a little rim damage, I'm sure. Oh man, I hope you don't get penalized for that. Let's see, there's pieces of it right here. So I guess he just bang on it until you split it. Once you split it, you can get a bite on the head with your tool. And then turn it. Wow, was this even necessary? See, my point of the whole matter is, guys, it's just a typical black rim. Nothing special about it. Nothing fancy about it. I mean, anything can go wrong with these, okay? Even if you have the key. You see how many turns that is? You can easily, this is aluminum. You can easily strip, or this can come out of place and you not be able to get your key off. Some people I know, they put them on so freaking tight to where you can easily strip it trying to get it off, guys. So make a conscious decision on whether you even need these. Look at this rim. Nothing special about it.
Because it's protected. Now, mind you, the thieves have found a way even around this. So they'll come up with something else, and the thieves will come up with something else. So that is the most dumbest career move. Even if it's a hobby, that's the most dumbest hobby move you can have. Removing wheel locks off to steal wheels. Theft. You're going to end up in jail. You're going to end up killed. One or the other. So if you're doing it, please stop it. It's not cool. It's not good at all. But that's my tip. Do not use a impact on wheel locks. All right, that's all I have. Let me go back over here.